फार्मूले से ये रकम बराबर 7 है। 7 जमा 2 9, मुरब्बा हटा देंगे, ये 3 हो जाएगा। 3 हमारा जवाब। In which of the following triangles the orthocenter lies in the exterior of the triangle? Our answer is obtuse angle triangle. Z is greater than 90. Question 93. 3 जमा 13 16, 16 में से 6 गया 10। LCM 5 9 15 is 45. This is 9, this is 5 and this is 3. 9 times 1 9 का 9, 5 का 5, 3 3 9, 5 बटे 9, 5 का 5 5 9 1 बटे 9। हमारा जवाब 10 सही है, 1 बटे 9। Question 94. What is the remainder of expression divided by 7? 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Remainder is 1. 120 square is 144 and 0 is 20. 7 times 2 is 14. 0. 7 times 5 is 35. Carry 5. 7 times 7 is 49. Here also remainder is 1. So our answer is 1. By formula A plus B, 7 plus 3 is 10, carry 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. A square, 2.3 square is 5.29 and 17 square is 2.89 minus AB, minus 17 times 3 is 51, carry 5, 17 times 2 is 34 plus 5 is 39. This and this cancel. Our answer is 4. Side of triangle 5 plus 7 12 plus 4 16, carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, 22 32 37 and this is midpoint. So this side is half this side and this is also midpoint. So this is half divided by 4. 4 times 9 is 60. 36, carry 1. 4 times 4 is 16. So our answer is 9.4. Question 97. What is the remainder? By remainder theorem, put x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 17. Minus 1 raised to 57 plus 57. Minus this is odd, so this is minus 1 plus 57 is equal to 56 is our answer. 56. This is A answer. Question 98. This is parallelogram. The addition of two continuous angle is 180 and this is angle bisector. So this angle is, addition of this angle is 90. So remaining angle is also 90. So our answer is PAS is 90. Our answer is 4th. Question 99. Which of the following is an example of inverse variation? Number 1. Number of person and food required for them. If number of person increase, then food required of them is also increase. So this is not inverse version. Number second, area of square and square of diagonal. Our formula is A is equal to S square and S is equal to D upon root 2. So this is also not inverse variation. Density of light and square of its distance. So our formula is I is equal to P upon 4 pi r square. Here inverse. So our answer is third. Electric current I and heat produced. Our formula is H is equal to I square RT. This is not. So our answer is third. Question 100. This is radius and this is tangent segment. Then what is the type of quadrilateral? Number A, kit. This is correct. Cyclic quadrilateral. This is also correct. Rhombus. This is not correct. T-prism. This is also not correct. So our answer is A, B. Second is our answer. Question 101. X minus 3 is SS of this. So this is x minus 3 is one factor and another factor is x plus 2. This is x square minus x plus minus 6. So k is 1. Our answer is second. Question 102. Selling price S of an article is 8 by 5 times of its cost price. So 8 by 5 times of its cost type. So loss is 8 by 5 C minus C. 5, 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 by 5 times cost price. So by formula, percent of loss is equal to loss 3 by 5C upon cost into 100. CC cancel. 5 times 2 is 10, 0. 20 times 3 is 60%. Is our answer. 103. To construct the quadrilateral given information is incomplete. Which information gives optional is enough to construct the given quadrilateral? Length of side PQ. If this is given, then this angle is not given. Length of side SR. If this is given, then this angle is also not given. Length of side PR. This. And measurement of angle PQR. This angle is given. Okay. This is correct. If this angle is given and this length is given, if suppose this is 80, then this is 50, 60, 112. We can calculate. First draw this. This is 70. Construct. This is Question 104. Graph of x plus y is equal to 4 will not passes through which quadrant? X plus y is 7. So both x and y value is not negative. So in third quadrant both value is not negative. So third is our answer. 105. Radius of cylinder copper tank is 2.8 meter and height is 3.5 meter. Daily 70 liter water is required for 1 person. If the tank is full, then water is enough for how many person? The volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi is given 22/7. R is 2.8 meter square and height is 3.5 meter, and there is 17 liter use for 1 person. Convert meter into centimeter. And liter into centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 4. This point cancel. These two zeros cancel. 5 times 2, 20. 20. This is also cancel. This is 56 into 22. 22 times 6 is 132. 22 times 5, 110. 120, 23. Our answer is 1232. 4 is our answer. Question 106. Average mean of 100 numbers is 40. 100 multiplied by 40 is 4000. One of the number is 30. If instead of 30 number is 20, so 70 minus 30 is 40. So 40 is right. That means 440. Then average. Then what is the new average? New average divided by 100. This cancel, this. 40.4 is our answer. Number 107. A person deposit rupees 2000. That is P. At 5 rate. 5/100. For 2 years. Unit 2. By dividing 5 times 2 is 10. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 square is 441 upon 20 square is 400. This is cancel. 4 times 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 2, 22. So entrance is minus 2000 is 205 is our answer. Rupees 205 rupees. 8. Cost of sari is rupees 1270. What is the selling price of the saree if 12% discount in given? 12% discount. 0. 12 times 7 is 84. 12 times 12 is 144 plus 8, 152. And this is point. So in minus we get 0, 6, 7, 1, 1, 1. So 1004 is our answer. Question 109. In the following figure, a trapezium is shown. Find the area of ground in the shape of trapezium. The formula of trapezium, area of trapezium is 1/2 into 60 plus 75. The parallel line, the sum of and height 40. 2 times 2 is 4. 0, 5, 6 plus 7 is 13. 0, 72. Our answer is 2700. We can also solve by this. This is 40, this is 40, this is a rectangle. The area of rectangle is 0, 0. 4 times 6 is 24. This is 60, this is 15. And 0, 15 times 4 is 60. And by formula 1/2, that is 300. 24 plus 3 is 27. 100 square meter is our answer. But note that we cannot draw any triangle with side 15, 14 and 45, which is right angle triangle. Number 112. Numbers are written in ascending order. Then what is the middle number? So divide 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 is remaining point. This is 20. 3 times 6 is 18. Also 2. 5. 0. 5 times 6 is 30. 9. 77. 11 times 7. 7. 0. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 1. 11. Multiply by 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So first number is this. Second number is this. And third number, that is middle number, is this. So 7 by 9 is our answer. 7 by 9, that is first is our answer. Number 111. 3 consecutive natural numbers are such that 5 times the smaller number is x, is more than 4 times the greater number by 19. Greater number is x plus 2 is 4 times plus 19. 4x, 5 minus 4x is x. 4 times 2, 8 plus 19 is 27. X is 27. Another continuous number is 28 and 29. Find the average. average of three number is middle term is 28. 28 is our answer. Number 112. Area of square is x square. Square centimeter. If one side of the square and its adjacent side is reduced by 3 and 7. If one side is reduced by 3 and second is by 7, then a new figure is formed. By how much is the area of new figure is less than the area of square? Is less than, that is minus. So x square minus x square minus 10x plus 21. This x square is cancelled. This is plus 10x minus 21 is our answer. Our answer is third. Question 113. Multiply by 2. 12 cube is 1728 upon 5 times 2 is 10. 10 cube is 1000 minus square root of 5051 is 71, and this is also 1000 plus 7 cube is 343. Multiply by 1000. This is cancelled, this is cancelled, this point is cancelled. 8 plus 3, 11, minus 1 is 10. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. And 17 plus 3 is 20. 2000, and now divided by 1000 we get 2. So fourth is our answer. Question number 114. From the given set, the length of the sides which triangles can be constructed from the given of null. The two smaller sides, 2.1 and 1.98, that is 4. This is also 4. So this is not construct triangle because the two smallest side is greater than, the sum of two smallest side is greater than third side. Here 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. This is also not construct. This 5 plus 7 is 1.1. So this is construct. The smallest side. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So this is also construct. So our answer is C and D. C and D. Our answer is second. Only C and D. Question number 115. This is 7 plus 2 plus 2 into 14. 7 into 2 is 14. This is square root of 7 plus square root of 2 bracket square. And this is in square root. So square and square root is cancelled. So this quantity is root 7 minus root 7 plus root 2. And this is root 7 square is 7 minus root 2 square is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 is our answer. First is our answer. Question number 116. Length of side of triangle is 60. A, B, C. So area of triangle is 1/2 plus into 60 into 11. 2 times 3 is 6, 0, 330. The median is taken on BC. Then this angle is 1/2 of 330. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 5 is 10. 156 is our answer. So answer is 4. Question number 117. Z of 20%, that is Z into 20 upon 100 is equal to 266.80. This is cancel. Divide by 2, 2, 3, 3.40. This is cancel. And multiply by this. This is also cancel. So Z value is this. And Y of 20% is Z. Y of 20% is Z, and Z is 13344. This is cancel by divided 2 times 6, 12, 2.6, 12, 2.7, and this is 0. And next of 20%. X of 20% is Y. Y is 6670. This 0 is cancelled by divided 2 times 3, 2 times 3, 2 times 3, 1 carry 2 times 5, and this is X value, that is 33,350. Our answer is second. Angle of ratio 4, 5, 7, 8. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24x is equal to 360. Divided by 24. 1. 24. 5 times is 120. X is 15. 15 by 4 is 60. 5, 75. 7, 105. And 15 times 8 is 120. This and this is 180, and this is also 180. So this the quadrilateral is trapezium. Our answer is first. Number 119. Ratio of present ages of Ajay and Atul is 5, 6. If Ajay Umar is X, Atul age is Y, then their ratio is 5 by 6. That is 6x minus 5y is equal to 0. After 20 years, ratio of their ages will be 9:10. After 20 years, that is x plus 20 and y plus 20. The ratio is 9/10. By cross multiplication, 10x plus 200 is equal to 9y plus 180. That is 10x minus 9y is equal to minus 200 is become minus 20. Now by multiply this by 6 and this by 10, we get 10 times 6, 60x minus 50y is equal to 0. 6 times 10 is 60x minus 54y is equal to minus 120. Now by subtracting, this is 4y is equal to 120. 4 times 3, so y is 30. Put this value in this equation. 6x is equal to 5 times 30 is 150. Now divided by 6. 6 times 2 is 13. 6 times 5 is 15. Then what is the difference in present age of Ajay and Atul? This is 30, this is 25. Their difference is 5. 5 is our answer. 5 years. Question number 120. This is parallel line. This is tangent. This is also parallel. This and this is radius equal. So this side is also equal. This side is also equal. This angle is also equal. So our test is side angle side. Side angle side. Second is our answer.